Counterfeit, I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me. Yeah. Ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Yeah. Hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father. Get the one, this is life or death. I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father. I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run.
What up, chat? What up, what up?
Be more like Hezekiah, say it and it's done. Breakthrough, Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome in. Welcome in. Happy CPI day.
And that cross couldn't break you.
Let's roll. Let's roll.
Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. Oh, yeah. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Sweep me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father.
Recording in progress.
You deserve the praise. Sweep me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise.
Welcome in.
Lead
How we
me
doing?
to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve
C
the
Gamer in the
praise.
house. What up, C Gamer? What
Lead
up,
me
Michael?
to your altar.
What up, Michael? What up, George
Wash
Pope?
away my shame.
George Pope in the house. What's goody? What's goody? Nate G in the building. What up, Wokey? Wokey, we made it, man. We made it. We made it. Good morning, Ryan. What up, Louis G? Stephen B in the house. What's good, Stephen B? What up, Adam 8 Figs? My boy. George VDM. There's my boy. How you doing, brother? Good to see you here, man. What's up, Carolina? What's good? What's good? What up, Travis? Travis in the house. OGH in the building. What up, 3 Ants? What's good? What's good? What up, Xander? What up, Zen? Xander and Zen in the house. One back to back. Christian, what's good, brother? What up, Logan? What up, Mr. Lopez? What's up, Denzi? Shelly's in the building. What up, Shelly? We got Shelly. We got C. Melly. What up, Hacker White Hat? What's good? I should have worn my white hat today. Damn. What up, Engineer 14? J Mac in the building. What up, Diogo? Big Magnus in the house. What up, Magnus? Long time no see. Long time no see. What up, Norbin? Yep. How y'all feeling today? Everybody good? Everybody good? How's the music? Music should be good. Yeah, Jay Coop in the building. Let me send y'all the Zoom link. Hold on one sec. Boom. All right. Hey, if you guys are not in our free Discord, you guys can join the Discord here. Almost 9,000 traders, man. Almost 9,000 traders in the Discord. Crazy. All right, Zoom link is out. Boom. Boom. And I think we're good. Yeah, I think we're good. Yeah, CPI day. Welcome in. Welcome in. Hope you guys are well. If you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like. Settle in. And let's get started here today. Let's move my chat. Yo, Mr. BTC in the house. What up, what up? It's good. All right, we're good here. We're good there. And perfect. Perfect, perfect. Well, welcome in, everyone. Welcome in. What's up, Andrew? Good morning, brother. Welcome to a new day. Today is Wednesday. It is the 11th day here of September. Historical day here in the U.S. as we remember the attacks on the innocent people in the Twin Towers. Man, what a day in history in the USA, man. We've hoped to never forget, but it seems like many people have forgot. So today is September 11th. It is Wednesday. I'm going to go ahead and pray for you guys, and then we're going to rock and roll and get the ball started. So, Father in heaven, Lord, I thank you that I can pray for your people, Lord. We thank you that we can call upon your name, the name above every name, Lord. I pray for those that are in attendance today, Lord. I pray for their hearts, for their minds, Lord. I pray that you would give them vision, Lord. Vision that you have for them, Lord. Plans for them to prosper and to do incredible things in this world, Lord, for your kingdom. We thank you for the opportunity to work that kingdom, to sow to work into the land, Lord, and to nourish it and to give it what it needs, Lord. We know that's up to you to make it grow, but we will do the work. So we thank you for blessing our path, and we give you all the glory. In Jesus' name, amen. Amen, amen. Amen, amen. You know, you can do as much work as you possibly can, but at the end of it all, it's still going to be up to God, right? The farmer who works his hardest still has to count on the Lord for the weather to work together and the soil to be good and all that good stuff. So put your trust in the Lord here today, and let's go out and work the land. Let's work it, baby. Let's work it. Yo, what up, Pablo? Good morning, brother. Good morning, good morning. All right, let's go ahead and get started here again. Today is, again, the 11th. It's another day. It's another opportunity for us to be patient, to be disciplined traders, to be professionals, and do what we do best, all right? So we have some news coming up, some big red folder news coming up here at 8:30. It's CPI day, right? You guys have seen it in the title of the stream. Today's a big day here for the US dollar. We also haven't had any red folder news at all this week. So this is our first look into some red folders, and yeah, everything should be pretty nicely here today. We should have a lot of volume. Should have a very volatile session together here, and then towards the afternoon, you should have a lot of volume coming in today. Lots of volume. What's up, Don? What up, Only Bands? What's good, boys? What up, Zoomers? Let me share the music for you guys. Bam. And let's do a top-down analysis. If you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like here, and let's jump into the technicals. You guys ready? Ready? Raul trades. Yep. All right, let's talk about this. Let's go over price action on gold, and let's get this lovely day started. It is 7:52 NY Open coming up. I won't be touching anything on the chart until CPI comes out, and then after that we'll look for some, or I'll look for some positions. But if you guys are trading, I'm rooting you on. Yeah, I'm gonna lower the music real quick, and we should be good there. So let's talk about gold. Let's talk about this weekly time frame real quick, and let's go over a couple things here. So as you can see, man, the weekly has been extremely bullish, right? Really since the levels down here, which were your support areas down here, you've just been really just pushing up, right? We've made our way up. We've created these all-time highs, and we're just really on a bullish rally here. If you guys zoom out a bit, you can see what a rally we've been on here with gold here on the weekly time frame. So as we kind of came up, right, we got a massive push up on the weekly. We began to range at that point. So we started to range from, you know, these levels here. You created support, you created resistance, and then all of a sudden this guy right here was the one to actually push out of the range, break all these highs, you know, break all-time highs, and then just really closed like engulfing bullish candle. Right now, after that, there wasn't much of a push. So after that, you've had these highs that have just kind of been respecting each other, and now we're like kind of sitting at those weekly highs here. So what will gold do today? Will we respect the weekly high and drive down, or are we going to break these all-time highs with CPI and then just continue running up? You know, that's the idea. There's still about 2.5 days on this weekly candle, so anything could happen, but today is going to be a big move here, and today we're either going to break those highs and begin to move up, or we're going to start to pull back on this weekly candle, create the top wick, and then begin to possibly drive down, or at least drive down towards like the flip of the candle here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the daily. Let's see what the daily's got going on here today as well. So daily's been a big issue on gold for quite some time, a couple weeks here. You've been just straight consolidating, right? You haven't really been doing much on the daily time frame. If we just track back to, I would say, Monday, right? Monday we had a bullish closure there. Tuesday we began to come up, and we kind of jumped into this area, right? We retested that resistance right there, and then today, right, we have a very small bottom wick, very small bottom wick on that daily candle here. And what have we done? We've really tapped into this overall zone here, right? So if we start rejecting from here and we break that low on the daily, there's a very high chance you will see today's daily candle begin to drop, right, and retrace and head back towards that support there. So that would look something like this, where you have a bearish closure or a bearish candle wicked into that area, and then maybe a wick down back into that support level there. So if we can close below, even better. But you know, who knows what's going to happen with that. So that's what the daily's doing right now. We're kind of at resistance, right? So just because we're here doesn't mean we can't keep pushing, but as long as we respect these highs there and we start breaking that daily low, very high chance we see a pretty big push to the downside here today. So let's take a look at the 4 hour real quick. Let's see what's going on. 4 hour broke the lows there. Excuse me, we're up in this range here. So if you look, 4 hours been really just pumping up, right? So we had a support here, we pumped up, right? We had one bearish candle, literally one bearish candle, created a new support, and then just pumped up. Now if we were going to push up, where will we go to, right? Well, we look left and we scan to the left hand side. Ding ding ding, resistance right here, wick right here. That's most likely where we're going to head. So we did come into that resistance, right? We did kind of fill this wick, and we just rejected it. So we've rejected the wick. This new 4 hour candle has broken the lows. So look, we haven't had a bearish 4 hour candle in 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 4 hour candles in a row. So very high chance that we react to this zone right here and begin to pull back a bit, right? According to price action, we need some sort of a pullback at this point. Now, can we keep moving up? Absolutely, right? But I think we need some sort of like new support, and then price can continue driving. So that's where we're at in terms of the 4 hour candle. Now we did break the lows and didn't really have any follow through there, right? So we've got a high here, we've got a low. Let's go take a look at what that looks like on the 1 hour. 1 hour should just be chilling, yep, in this nice little range here. So you've got a support right here on the 1 hour, right? Where price has been created support, we've kind of rejected it. Same thing here, we're just chilling right at support now, right? We also have a resistance to the top here, and then we look left. Look left, you got some more stuff going on right to the left here. Lots of resistance here on gold to the left hand side if we zoom out a bit. So, you know, according to last times we've been up here, we may begin to really see a pullback here. So I do see some downside to the daily candle today, but we need the signs to come together, right? So I do like sells below this 1 hour support. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. 30, we got to adjust a little bit, and yeah, I think this is the range. Yep, that is the pre-CPI range here. So that's what I've got going on. Everything looks pretty clean on the 1 hour. It's the 30-minute that is not the healthiest here, right? So the cleanest sells are going to be below here, but with a candle like CPI, you're probably going to push through all that, right? And then once we get below these levels here, it's very, very clean range. So that's that is what I got here so far today. Yeah, that's the day. We'll wait for the print, and then we will adjust our ranges from there. Yep. Yep. That's it. So decent sells below here, but again, CPI is going to push through this range regardless. Buys above, and that's our pre-CPI range. Done. What are you guys thinking? Buys or sells here today? But you're bullish or bearish for CPI? Bullish or bearish? What do you guys got? Sell? Bull? You want to make a poll? All right, we'll make a poll. We'll make a poll. Let's see. Bull or bear? Let's make a poll. Let me guess. It'll be 50-50. Let's see. Begins. Let the voting begin. Oh, okay. The next 15-minute candle is going to decide that. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Whipsaw to the downside. Sounds about right. Makes sense. Makes sense. What's up, 11th hour? What up, PM Magnifico? What's good? Dropout traders here. OGH back in the library. All right. Melvin, you are a beast, bro. You're a beast, dude. My man's with me at every session. Wow. What up, Zoomers? How we feeling? How we feeling? How we feeling? Third option, no idea. No idea. What's up, Ecom Dre? What's goody? Enzo in the building. Enzo TV. What are we gonna eat today? I think I got a nice, I think it's like a 27 ounce or 26 ounce beautiful bone-in ribeye. But that's for later. That's for later. What's up, Mia? What up, Speedy Gang? What's that purple thing? It's a purple thing. That purple thing is a purple thing, man. That's what it is. It's just a purple thing. Sells? Yeah, sells, like the print, the CPI print will probably push through there. So regardless of this, this will get smoked, right, by CPI. So I don't really, like, if you're in sells now, you shouldn't really worry too much about this. I think you got all the way at least until that support to go. Trust me, nothing will stand a chance in the way of CPI. All this consolidation, it's like a bunch of stuff when a big tornado's pulling through. Not a chance. What's up, young Pipper? What's good? What's good? Charts for stream? Yeah, we could take a look. Yeah. Lights, fire in the house. What up, bro? Oh, by the way, gang, it looks like the webinar recording is out. So that's available in the webinar recording section in the clubhouse. So you guys can go watch Saturday's webinar. Looks like it just got posted. So shout out to TK. Got it done. Thank you, TK. Charts for stream. Let's take a look. Charts for stream. All right, let's take a look at this one here. So this is a gold 30-minute time frame. So 30-minute onion, okay, booked 50% to 24 pips, went B at 20 pips. Rest of it got hit at break even, okay. Entry candle was the last 30-minute candle of the 4-hour. That was not, so I was not sure the 4-hour candle would close, okay. Resistance plus all-time highs. Beautiful. Nice trade. That was yesterday, right? Yesterday? I think so. Last night. Look, same trade here. So daily candle was near the resistance. Okay. 4-hour candle was near resistance. All right. After the 30. Yeah. Lovely. Yeah. This was great. This was after London session. That's right. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. Let me wait till I show you guys my sells in London session. Wait till I show you guys these things. Kind of a risky trade. Yeah. 4:30. Yeah. 4:30 a.m. Yep. Yeah. Good trade. Good trade. Yeah. This was 4:30 a.m. Eastern. So these are the same trades. A little bit after London. Yep. All right. Let's take a look at this one. So we got gold 15-minute time frame. Waited for a 15-minute candle closure above. Okay. Candle closed above. Waited for a bottom wick. Cool. Yep. I remember this. This was yesterday, I believe. Yeah. Nice trade. Nice trade. Let me show you guys my trade. Let me show you guys this. Hold on. So, okay. So you see this right here, right? This move here. So let me show you guys my trade. Where is it? So we took sells. Oh man, why isn't this? Why can't I zoom in on that? All right. You guys can see this. We took sells, or I took sells. My sell stop got activated right here. Check this out. This is trading for you. Activated. Stopped out. Activated. Stopped out. And then guess what? Guess what this candle did? Yep. Bam. So yeah, that's how London went for me last night. A little activation, little exit, and then the drop. Had to just smile at it. Yeah, these were good sells though. These were good sells. Creeping on the fade there. It was this candle right here. Yeah, that was where I got stopped out. No wick, and then look, shoop, dropped out. Yeah, my stop was right here. Bam. Bam. So yeah, that's how it happens sometimes. George VDM, you missed it, man. Sniper entry, sniper exit. Your guru could never. Your guru can never. Yeah, man. That was right here. Any buy limits? Nah. I kind of like CPI shorts, to be honest. What's up, Wags? Good morning, bro. What up, Engineer 14? Good to see you, man. Good to see you, Pedro. Yeah, a lot of most people didn't get activated. So shout out to like the 2 people that were activated with me. I mean, they entered with me, but they didn't exit with me. I think they survived too by like a pip. Nightbot's in the building. Okay. Clubhouse was lit last night. We had a little movie night. We watched the debate together, which was pretty entertaining for the most part. Cut GJ. Oh, today you cut GJ from the watch list. Oh, wow. Dang. How'd that go? What's up, Logan? What up, Fax? Fax Hook. What's goody? Green. How we feeling, Green? What time is CPI? CPI is going to be coming in 20 minutes. 20 minutes. $8:30, yeah, 8:30 Eastern. Yep. What's up, Scott? Scott Blackwood in the building. What's goody? What's goody? Should we sell now? Man, you don't want to ask someone that question. That's not a good question. Are you that comfortable with me? You'd put your money in my hands? So if I told you to do something, you'd do that right now. Just because I said so. I'm some random guy on the internet. I would say go to the YouTube channel, check out the Playbook 2.0, and then oh, it's a funded, so no worries. Gotcha. Eh. It's going to be bullish. Oh, someone says it's going to be bullish. 54% believe it'll be bearish. Maybe go off of the poll. So 54 believe it's going to be bearish, and Yeah, so maybe that's the more... the smart money. Look for the smart money. What up, C. Melly? Feeling great, brother. How are you, man? You ready for Wednesday? For Wednesday? I'm ready, man. CPI day. Been looking forward to this all week. Which broker do I use? I use Trade-O-Vate on the futures. Yeah, yeah. Trade-O-Vate. Charts for stream? Yeah, no problem. No problem. Let's take a look. Where'd it go? All right, let's take a look. So, first trade's over here, I think. All right, 2 trades. All right, this buy, which Nick told the stream that fake out would be perfect. Okay, did the fake out, but closed with no wick at the top. Yeah, I didn't execute on that either. So we had no wick at the top, therefore couldn't take the buy there. Yeah, I was very bullish, but with no wick at the top, I was hoping to see a much steeper bottom wick, maybe a little bit back in the range a little bit before taking the buy, especially with like very little to no wick at the top. So that's a trade that's not a missed trade, that's just not a trade. Right, so although the setup is there, it's really not because there's no wick. So it's just as good as if a candle closed with no wick or didn't close above the range or anything, right? So that's kind of like I'll waive the trade off for the most part and then just wait. So yeah, so that one I would have avoided as well. And then let's see the other one here. Second trade, click, nice wick, 30-minute onion. No wick, no trade. Perfect. Hey, if you can never do this again, right? If you could just make a rule and saying no wick, no trade all day, every day, you will avoid so many unnecessary losses in the markets. Promise you. Yeah, look at that. Saved an L just by following rules. Yup. Good job. Way to be disciplined. Way to be self-regulated. Good stuff. So you guys ever some of you guys play golf, some of you guys ever ride dirt bikes or motorcycles or what else mow the lawn, right? So if we talk about doing motorcycles, right, when you do a motorcycle on, like, let's say a motor I'm sorry let's talk about doing motorcycles. Let's talk about doing papa wheelies on motorcycles, right? If you're gonna wheelie, right, you don't have to do too much. Right? You don't have to do much, right? You literally pop the clutch, give it some gas, and then just feather the brake, right? The rear brake. So like the bike is going to do the work for you. The bike will do the work for you. Same thing here. Like when you have a rule-based system, right? A systematic approach to the markets that has clear, defined rules and looks to it and an outcome, you don't have to do much of the work. You don't have to try and control the outcome. The system will do the work, just like the motorcycle will do the work for you. So keep that in mind. A lot of us try and basically create the outcome. You don't have to do that. Don't focus on that. Focus on the system, and that system will give you that outcome. It just takes time. Trade by trade. Trade by trade by trade by trade. Hey, that's the game you chose to play. And that's how it goes. So you just got to trust in that plan, in your strategy, and let the strategy do the work for you. Don't try and do too much. Wheelie 101. Don't try and do too much. Trade-O-Vate, brother. Trade-O-Vate. You don't have to call me my king, man. Please, please. My name is just, you could just call me Nick. When am I going to enter? I'm not entering until after CPI. I tend to miss trades when I make I tend to miss trades when I wait for upper and bottom wicks. Me too. It's all good. I still make money. Don't worry about it. The market, we're just little peasants to the market. We're waiting for the market to throw us a bone. Right? That's all we're doing. We know what bone we want, but we don't earn, like, we're not obligated. The market's not obligated to give us anything on any given day. Right? So we know what bone we're looking for, and when the market spits it out, that's what we take. So if that's not there, if that's not the, you know, the bone that comes out, it's just, it is what it is. Just gotta wait. Just gotta wait for that bone. Nothing you can do. We take trade today? We see? Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Glorious game. That's true, Chico. That's true. What do I typically write in my journal? I usually write 5 things I'm grateful for. I write my goal that I'm looking to accomplish from a financial standpoint. And then I write what life will be like when that goal is accomplished and how it's going to feel. And I go there. You know, most of you guys, you guys don't know what you want, so you can't go there, right? You got to go there every day in your mind in order to get there in the physical, right? Go there in the spiritual on the daily, and then you will eventually arrive there in the physical. That's just how it works. Those are success principles, right? Spiritual laws of success 101. So yeah, every day. And that's why I eventually arrive there. I eventually arrive there in the physical every time. How come the counter increased to 6 wins? Because we took one more win. How come you didn't ask why the counter increased on the loss? How come it was just a win? We got an extra loss in there too. Yeah, I took a win and a loss here yesterday. One after the stream in New York, and then one in London. One day I want to be just like Green. That's what I write in my journal. Would I say trading is spiritual? I'd say everything is spiritual. Everything. Everything is spiritual. Oh yeah, let me put this in there. I want to put this image, but I don't think I can. Yeah, this was my loss here in London session. This was my entry right there, and that was my exit right there. Sells on gold. Thank you, Mrs. Lippy. Trust me, your IG guru can never get entries and exits like this. Ever. What's up, Alex? What's good? I think Bitcoin will go down soon. I think Bitcoin will go up and down and fluctuate and make its way to 100K at some point. Sniper entry? Sniper eggs. Yeah, and then look, the next candle just drove. Just straight up right to partials. Tap partials right on the nose. Ecom Dre, what we doing at the gym today, man? Yeah, Discord, be careful on Discord, man. There's so many fake usernames of me. Just be careful. Some of y'all thought you've been having a whole conversation with me for the last 2 days. Promise you, I haven't had a conversation with anyone in the last 2 days. You mean to tell me that? What? Yeah. Do I know Alex G? No. Do I know of him? Yes. Oh, let's go, Louis G. You treating? You treating the whole squad at lunch today? Depending on how CPI goes. Damn, apparently everyone was talking to me. What you mean, bro? You mean to tell me you weren't checking up on me the other day? Telling me about your secret program? So you got a good question here. How do you change like the paradigm, of your thinking? So trying to have better thoughts, which will lead to better decisions. A lot of that's going to have to do with repetition. So you're going to have to get creative. You're going to have to make these little cards, these little spoken word cards. You're going to have to remind yourself, every single day to speak life, right? Speak words that are fruitful. Words are spiritual as well. So you want to speak good words, right? That's why you always hear me saying, I'm blessed and highly favored. I'm doing fantastic. I'm doing amazing. Blah, 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 right? Why? Because words are spiritual. So you want to get into the habit of switching up your vocabulary a little bit and starting to speak words that affirm goodness in your life. Affirm that you are going in the direction that you want to go into. So it all has to do with repetition. Repetition to the subconscious mind is what creates a new paradigm, which is in a way like a new filter in which you will, or I should say like a new, it's like a way to filter everything in life. Everything in life will go through that filter now. So maybe right now it's going through a negative filter, right? But you want to switch it to a positive. So you got to, proclaim a lot of self-affirmations. You got to read good books. It's good to talk to good people. Your mom ever told you, hey, if you don't have anything good to say, don't say nothing at all, right? Yeah. To you too, right? How many times you go, man, I suck at that. Oh, I'm so tired. Oh, I can't remember anyone's name. When you say these things, your subconscious mind takes hold of them, right? I can never do this trading thing. Every trade I take's a loss, right? When you say these things, you're recording everything, and you will filter everything through that. So, start speaking good words, right? Good words. Start consciously and on purpose writing down a list of self-affirmations, and then begin to add those into your morning routine. Say them out loud, say them in the mirror. You want to hear your own voice. I used to record it. I would record it and I'd listen to it. I'd speak it, I'd record it, listen to it, all that. So it takes work. Got to rewire. Yeah, take a look at Bob Proctor. Bob Proctor's got a lot of great stuff on that. Earl Nightingale, Napoleon Hill, Think and Grow Rich. Really, really good book. I would highly recommend that book. The Magic of Thinking Big, What to Say When You Talk to Yourself, The Power of Positive Thinking. Those are all really good books to tackle in 2025 to shift the paradigm, you know, for you in the years to come. You also have to realize that's going to take time, right? That won't happen in a week or a day or a month, right? That's going to take some time. You want to go through those, you know, read through books like that and, you know, all that. I read 100 plus books in about 14 months, and I think that's what ultimately shifted my paradigm back in about 2014 maybe, 2014. Yeah, reading the right books, hanging around the right people, and listening and hearing my own self-talk is what really made me shift that paradigm. Before that, I was soft, man. I was negative, lazy, all that. All right, 1 minute for CPI here. 1 minute. Get a bookshelf. You know, you go to rich people, successful people's homes, and you'll notice that they all have got a bookshelf. All of them. Yep, association. Get around the right people, get around the right community. That's why we designed the clubhouse. Clubhouse is designed for that. To stay around like-minded individuals. Temps at 46 now. Oh, in PA, it's getting cold. It's getting chilly. It's getting chilly. All right. 45 seconds, and we got fireworks. Who's ready? Who's ready? Here we go. DJ Scratch is in the house. Yo, yo. All right, 20 seconds and counting. Where will we go? Up or down, up or down. 3, 2, 1. Oh, straight shot to the downside. Let's go. Let's go. Nice, nice. Beautiful. Ooh, there it is. There's that flip that we talk about. Remember that flip that I was telling you guys about yesterday? Straight to the top and then right. See how it's like instantly hits the top. Yee. Up or down, up and down, but more so I would say down. Let's take a look at this. Yo, what up, John?
Yo, what's good, my man?
Good
morning.
Good. Top of the morning.
Good. Good. You take those cells?
Yes, sir. Later.
Nice. Hey, let's go. Yo, what's good, chat? Good morning. Good morning. Happy Wednesday, y'all. It's good to be back.
Good to be back. Good to have you back. Let's see where we're at.
Thank you, bro.
Oh, so really no change here. Oh, 2.9, 2.5. All right. All right. So green numbers. So yeah, gold should move down here. What up, Scott?
Yo, C Melly, you called it last night.
CPI drop.
Yeah. That's good. Good to see that. Oh, good morning, chat. Good morning. Good. We back with the 8-figure traders.
So we talked about this range getting just demolished here, right? So now that range has been pushed through, cleared out, and now we're good, right? So now we're good on buys moving back up. You know, later on, we're also good if we get closures below here. So we plowed through that range, kind of pushed through all that choppiness to the left, and now there will be clean range to the left next time we come about this area here.
Nice to see that news, you know, kind of align with the technicals, to the technical.
Oh, he's gone. He's gone. Where'd he go? He didn't line up with the technicals, damn. Lights, fire. What's good, bro? How about those skims? Yeah, man. What a show last night. Just staring right at you. By me. How many of y'all placed an order? Wow, zoomers. Let me go back. There we go. Hey, C. Melly, we were looking for you in London, man. What happened? Me and Wiz Buddha we're just waiting for you. Still a buy, bro? You asking me? Still a buy? How do I manage to get up early? I don't know. I just do it.
The motivation within him, bro. He knows his why. Every morning he's like, why do I want to get up? He remembers his why and he gets up. Motivates him.
Okay. See, Melly's like, nah, no London. No London.
How was London, bro?
It was great. It was real good.
Nice.
Great London session.
Okay.
Let's go, JDZ. He's denying that gambler, denying that dopamine.
Yo, Chaz, does anyone actually like gamble here for a living? Like bet on sports? Imagining?
The motivation, yeah. I mean, I don't run off of motivation. I'm really not motivated too much. I'm just disciplined. I'm just disciplined. So if I say I'm gonna do something, then I'm gonna do it, you know? So that's it. That's it. Just a pure agreement. It's like looking at a trade. You know, you're agreeing to it or not to agree to it, and you just take your stand right there.
Yo, it's good, Magnus. Yeah, bro. My bad. Don't even take my word, man. Yeah, I think that's the best way, Nick, to have like confidence in yourself. Ooh. Is to say you're gonna do something and actually do it. And we're bleeding here.
Captain will
Let's
come
go,
in
Sellers.
here like, yeah, I do a little sports betting myself. Play some poker. Nice. Very nice. We got a bleeder.
Later.
As we mentioned, downside here to the daily candle today. So looking good.
Damn, Diogo. No worries. We'll get it back.
Was 100. Oh, nice. Oh, nice, Emeli. Let's go. Where's that at?
Yo,
Is that locally?
that's 60.
Local.
That should be fun, bro.
Downtown we go. Miami, nice. Nice. September 11th here today. September 11th.
Yep.
We all watched the debate. Yep. We watched the debate last night.
How do you think it went, Nick?
It was a good movie. It was very entertaining.
I enjoyed my popcorn.
Almost seemed like it was scripted.
Yeah. Those two looked like they knew something suspicious. Yeah, nice to see the news going with the technical part of the chart as well.
The world is a stage. Remember, nothing is what it seems. Nothing. They were plotting something. They probably had dinner together after. What'd you think? What'd you think? Yeah, pretty good. Huh?
All right. They're probably best friends.
She said, "Hi, I'm Kamala Harris." He was like, "Get the hell away from me."
That was hilarious, bro.
She just walked up to him in the beginning. "Hi, I'm Kamala Harris."
She was definitely on something, bro.
53% of the poll was right. They were correct.
Robert Fade, eh?
What happened? Oh. Yep. That made sense. We drew that out, right? That made perfect sense right there. Daily rejection off these highs here. Weekly candle. Look at the weekly time frame. Just respected the previous candle high. And now we're pushing back down. So now we have this zone here. So we've got this overall zone right here now. So we'll see what happens in here. It's very choppy. Very choppy in here. But I think we could definitely see more downside here. Fill this wick.
Yeah, 4 hour coming into that support too.
My guy said, "Where is Joe Biden?"
Right?
Why does he say Biden's name so funny? Biden.
It's that accent, bro. Yo, Miko, that's crazy, bro. Damn.
If I was in the crowd, I would have said, show us your ear. Yeah, me too. Get away from them all-time highs. Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, they got steaks last night. It's funny. Funny, Simile. Yo, what's up, Lights Fire? Nice trade, bro.
Billions. I was reading that. I was like, B, Leons, and B, Leons of dollars. Oh, billion. Billions. Yeah, there we go. Makes sense.
Billions. It's funny.
What's Green trying to tell me? Is this some code word right here? We be talking in code in the chat.
Good, Green.
Billions.
Yeah, word, Jalen. Trump looked like he didn't even want to be there.
All right, let's see that 15 close here. So 15 closure in 1 minute. 8:45. I think if we come push down here over the next minute, next candle taps in, then you might have an opportunity for the fade here. $810 voted, but less than 300 liked. Damn. I actually thought you guys might like me. I guess not. I guess only 287 of you guys actually like me. Damn. Man, you guys are using
all
me.
you do for that, bro. That's... Yo, bro, wrap it up.
Scamming me.
Yeah, bro.
Damn.
Disrespectful, my man.
That's whack. That's whack, Stephen B. Yo, what up, Tills? My guy's got 1 foot
Tills,
on.
good morning.
All right, so look, this candle has no wick at the bottom. So if you get a push down here, right, tapping back into this actual 15-minute zone there, I like the buy stops. 8:45 pullbacks.
All right, 4-hour tap in target.
I really don't take 8:45 trades unless they're pullback trades. Let's take a look at this. 53 pips. $30 still open. Yeah, I like this. I like this fade here. So I'm going to go ahead and have a buy stop here. See if we can catch a pullback here at 8:45. Half risk on this for me.
It's paying the pullback.
All right, there's the, I think we're tapping into, oh no, not yet. Is that it? Yeah, there it is. Tapping into that support there on the 30 now. So we'll see if we pull back. Yeah, Magnifico just got everyone in trouble. Like that. I like the stream. Man. Yeah, 4-hour support. Yeah, I like this trade. Let me set this up here. I like it. I like it. We'll see. The idea is a potential fake out here. So price to pull back and do some sort of a fake out.
It does look good.
Yeah, partials will be somewhere around this yellow line here, right around these wicks. All right, nice. I'm going to go break even on this trade. We're about 22 pips in profit. Going to go break even and then see if it could run up here. I'm going to, on my Top Step account, I'm going to close something, but this one I'm going to let it rock. Oop, B, nope. Pump, pump, pump. All right, we'll see what happens. We'll see if we get the push up here for 845. Might get break even. Yeah, B. Yeah, I got B on that. So I like the break even there, because you never know. You never know with this candle. We're very bearish there. So I think we got what, like 26? Yeah, 26 pips out of that. I did close it on my Top Step account.
Nice, nice. Took small profit. Nice. Yeah, it was very quick. Very quick. So I'm expecting if this candle broke that high, then this candle may close bullish above as a fake out there. Right? So we might anticipate a fake out. Green. Yeah, I took it on Top Step. I took the profit. But Nice. So you got some profit.
yeah.
How many pips you get? Like 20?
25. Yeah, I think it was like 25. On my personal account, I'll hold trades a little bit longer, but on the Top Step, 25 was good there. Quick BE too. Yeah, quick break even. How was this a fade? Yeah, good question. So you had price come down, right? Aggressive move down. This candle here closing without a wick on the bottom. At the same time, running into this 4 hour, like, see all the wicks here on the 4 hour? Running into this 4 hour support. It was also a 30-minute support as well. And the 15 closing with no wick. I would anticipate that this candle here, after breaking the high, can pull up, right? And start pumping up like this. That's where I was going to close partials and maybe get some move like that. And then by the end of the closure there, now you've got a candle that closes above, and potentially that's when we get our pullback there. So that the fade was the beginning of that. The sign for the fade was two things: support being tapped on all time frames, and previous candle closing with like no wick at the bottom. Plus 845, that's typically going to be a time where we pull back. So very rarely will I take trades at 845 unless they're going to be possible pullback, right? Counter trend trades.
Right. And their fade is meant typically for a quick move, right? Yeah. Like quick move because it is the anticipation of the pullback going against the trend.
How many lots did I take? I took two GC contracts on the personal, and then I took 15 on the no 10 on the combine. No, I don't put the B as soon as
You went 10
possible
lots.
on the fade. Yeah, 10 contracts on that one. But in this case, like with that, like the Oanda 4-hour closure coming, and you know the other one's still open a bit, I wanted to get a little bit more aggressive there. Plus, you see like these wicks here, kind of came up and pulled back. So eventually we go up, but you got some wicks here and this whole zone.
You're trading that combine on the micro chart, right?
Nah, GC, the big dog.
Oh,
Yeah.
all right, damn.
Yeah, I'm gonna be a little aggressive here with the combine for sure.
Yeah, I am as well. Fund.
Yeah, to trade Top Step, you do. Yeah, you need to pay. It's a monthly fee. So
Monthly
pretty
fee
cool.
until you pass, and then once you pass, you don't have to pay the monthly fee.
Yeah, yeah, and then at least like up front, you don't have to pay the full boat. Like, you know, like back in the day, aka like a year or two ago, you had to buy your full challenge and spend all the money up front. So at least here, you don't have to spend too much up front.
Nice. What's good, Louis G? Nice, bro. Yeah, I like Top Step. Very cool. Yo,
Did
good
I
morning, Wags.
pass?
What's good, my man?
No, I didn't pass Top Step. This is my second day on the account. So I just took this challenge or combine. Just bought it 2 days ago. Yeah, I took a big loss on this in London, so I recovered that loss.
Yeah, I seen you made a good chunk there.
Yeah, I did.
What'd you take in London?
London, we took we took a sell right here. So this was the London trade. So took a sell right here on this candle. Right, broke that low right there. Got in. Stopped. This was my trade for London. Entry. Stop loss. End result.
Huh?
Nipped in, nipped out, straight
Damn,
to TP.
Dang it. Trading 101.
It was brutal.
Good work,
I
though.
felt
Way to
abused.
execute.
I felt.
Way to execute.
I felt.
I'm emotionally scarred, bro.
I'm scarred to be honest. Hey, 34 lots, and this trade. This trade goes in to the bucket with 34 lots, man. I don't think I'll ever forget this one either.
Bro, you know the market makers are watching when you just get tapped in and then straight to stop loss.
I feel violated. My rights have been violated.
Right, bro?
Look at it. Look. Entry.
Sorry, bro.
Exit.
Tapped. And then CPI bleeder.
So, Chad, it could always be worse. You know, you could be me.
Facts.
Buy 1,000 wins, sell 1,000.
He was violated.
Nah, seriously, I felt violated there. I felt like my rights were. Yeah, look, this candle moving up here. Nice, nice. Thank you, hero of the day. Gonna need it, gonna need it. So if you're still holding, you're almost at partials now. Unless you took it earlier. But this is probably the most logical point for partials as you come into this support zone.
Sniper entry. Nope. Sniper exit. Low key embrace of masculinity. Yep.
Up 1.4 today. Nice. What up, Rapid Max? How you doing, man? What's good?
You're right, Max.
Wick fill coming. Yeah, it makes sense to me, right? It makes sense to me, especially if we kind of move up here. We'll have a bullish candle or two, and then that'll leave the wick here. So you have this wick to fill, and then maybe we can come revisit that zone again. MT5 is goated. It could all be so simple. Imagine we were still all trading with MT5.
Imagine. And our
Wow.
My Forex Funds 100K accounts.
What would life be like if we still had MT5? Sheesh. Rob Fades. Talk to me, Rob Fades. Oh, I mean Rob Trades. Rob Trades the Fades. Yeah, I don't even know what to call this guy these days.
Rob,
man.
you took that, right, bro?
Holy.
You took the fade, of course.
Talk to me, Rob.
Rob, tell me, how many pips did you secure on that fade, bro?
Sure did, he says. Sure
He's
did.
Rob Fades.
Let's go. Yeah, we're gonna start trading or looking to trade the NASDAQ in the afternoon in the clubhouse. So that should be fun. We'll start watching it together. We'll start maybe getting some input on some of you other NASDAQ traders in the clubhouse. Hear your thoughts. Take some tips.
Yeah, Green, I agree. I like trading off trading be better than MT5.
All of them.
Pros and cons, I guess. Yeah, Jay, for trades, I mean, it's tough. It's tough, you know, when you're trading someone else's money. So I would say get with a firm that you like the rule that fits. Get with a firm that rules fits your trading style better. Yeah, can't really do anything.
Yeah, until they work on that. I think they're working on it. They're trying to get all their software to spot bots. So that's the word. MT5 does feel like was it created in the 80s? Might have been. Definitely the 90s. Scared of it. All right, cool. So yeah, I would expect this this open here to push up, right? So if you get a move back up now, so we'll see how we react towards this zone here. Actually, it's a little bit higher, like right around here. And then what we're looking for, right? If we're gonna remain bearish on the day, we need a pullback here. So we move down, right? If we can kind of begin to move up now, and then create a resistance, now we can potentially look for sells, right? Something like this, where we can now look to take our sells to retest that zone down there, which is going to be that wick fill, right? That 1 hour, 4 hour wick fill there, and then that's the trade. So you're going to need a confirmation candle unless we take the fade. You're going to need some sort of a confirmation, which is this move up and a resistance formed, and then that'll be your trading candle, right? Clean range to the left, nice wick fill to the left here, and that looks pretty good to me. We might not even go that far. We might just create a resistance right here. That's why the buys now are kind of risky, or I should say they'll be short-lived most likely, because you never know. If we're extremely bearish a lot of times, then we may just get something like that. So we may not even get a pullback up into these ranges. But we don't know, so we gotta wait. Break even the last 2 weeks? Yeah, that's fine, man. That's fine. It's been a really rocky last like 2 weeks. I mean, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There's your last 2 weeks. So it's no surprise, you know, it's a bit of a rocky price action road here. Why is your gold price different? You're using a different broker. So probably I bet you they're the same now. Voila, like magic. 2504. Looking for pullbacks up towards like 2512 and then the move back down. That'll be your 4-hour top wick, 1-hour top wick, and then potential wick fill. And if we are gonna take more buys now, because remember that buy there is just for the pullback itself, right? So that buy I took is not because I'm super bullish for the rest of the day. It was really just for a pullback there and served its purpose, right? So now if I'm gonna take more buys, I would rather see something like, let's say that candle closes there, right? Next candle closes here, and then all of a sudden you get like a closure back above, right? And now I would take buys. Now we got a brand new support. We can move on up in the range.
Counter trend trade.
Yeah, counter trend it with some confirmation.
Like it.
Rob fades. Is he still holding is the question.
Hey, Rob.
I know what he's looking at. NASDAQ, man.
Oh, Josh, 40 pips. Nice, bro. Yeah, Magnus. Yeah, same. I've gotten a lot of Bs this month as well.
Yeah, BE. Yep. You should too.
Yeah.
Especially
But
if
always,
you're
but look,
looking on
yeah.
holding them. If you're looking to hold them longer, you might get more break-even trades.
Yeah. Yeah, but check your data too, you know, just so you can get some feedback on that, you know, so you could see, all right, maybe I should have took some profits here. Because I look back at my you know, my journaling, I got some feedback that, yo, you definitely could have took some profits on some of these trades. But yeah, look at the feedback, see what you get.
Nice, Adam. Isn't it a good feeling? Isn't it a good feeling?
Good boy, Adam.
Slow month so far? Yeah, I agree.
All done for the day. Smart, Adam. Yeah, it's very smart. A lot of traders, they'll make profits and then give it right back, bro. So nice. Once you hit a certain target that you're good with, just call it a day, turn the machine off, right? Just the same way you would do it if you lost it, right? If you went over your daily risk limit, same way you would turn off the machine, you should do that with your profit target as well. Yeah, Magnus, that's awesome. Yeah, I was going through the same thing. I was able to get a lot of feedback on how I could actually find a medium between holding my trades and holding my trades and closing my trades. I was able to find, by doing, you know, like 2 months of sample size in that and working on holding trades, I was able to find a medium of how I can take profits and still hold at the same time. Yes, exactly, Magnus. It does. It definitely comes with more break-even trades. Go work, my man.
Yo, this challenge is gonna be sick.
Need help, journal?
I seen Austin post about it.
Nice. Alex, if you go into the Discord or in the YouTube chat, just put !journal. You know, there's a journal that I use, that Nick uses, that a lot of people in TT use, and you could use that journal. Or, you know, I would get TradeZella, one of those two. But I would highly suggest, you know, if you're serious about trading and if you're in this for the long haul, I would recommend definitely that you journal.
Nice.
Nice, Adam, using that lockout mode. Awesome.
Lock it out. Lock it out.
Gotta be nice.
What are we looking for now? The same thing. That resistance to form. That's it. Right? If we want to take sells, then we need resistance at this point. So we want to see the pullback, kind of like I drew it out. That's just waiting for what I drew out there. So we want to see where these longs will go. Will they keep going? Right? Because we don't want to just take sells for no reason. We want to see where this is going to come up to, and then once it plants a resistance here, let's say on the 15-minute time frame, then that's where we can take sells from. Yeah, so that might happen here. That could happen here. That could even happen right here. So we don't know until we get a closure. To buy, I think in order to buy, we need to see like a new support, right? So like if we're gonna buy, like not this support here, because that could just be the pullback for the wick to fill. See that wick right there? That could just be a wick fill here. So we would want to see like one of those, or one of these right here. You move up, right? You plant support. You don't break below, right? You close above, and then you can take your buys. Because right now we're super bearish. Which broker's best? I don't think there is a best broker.
Yeah, no, there isn't. Yeah, Louis, you know, that's awesome. You're in the process, right? You're just going through the process of everything. You know, in order to be a success, you must be a failure first, you know, so it all connects together. But when I was in my journey, you know, I was just left with, all right, I just got to try again, right? Blown account. What can I do now? I got to try again. So, yeah, man, as long as you don't quit, you'll eventually win. So all we can do is try again. And, you know, throughout the journey, always remembering that you're already rich as a person, right? We're already rich as a person. We already have the same things that rich people have, just less valuable, right? So make sure you're counting your blessings and not, you know, you're counting the things that you do have and not what you don't have, and literally just enjoy the process of it all.
Yeah, Tradeovate's the broker. Yeah, they're a broker. Yep.
Yeah, Alex, if you look at the daily is bullish, but if you look at the 4 hour, right, we look at the 4 hour as a session bias, and the 4 hour has just been heavily bearish right now, right? So, yeah, don't want to jump the gun with the buys if the 4 hour is heavily bearish.
Yeah, and I wouldn't jump on the buys too quickly here with that support.
Or yeah.
Or the sells.
Yeah.
There's really nothing right now.
Because especially if you're thinking of the 30 wick fill right now, like the stops are just too small for me. And I would like to see a nice resistance on the 15 also.
Yo, pal family, what's good? How you doing?
Our family.
How you doing? How you doing?
Yeah, we're Logan. I mean, you know, you can do whatever you want, you know, but the last thing we want to do in trading is trade out of state of need, right? Because neediness will repel money, right? We'll be chasing money out of a state of need. And when you chase something, you chase it because you can't catch it. So that we don't want to trade out of survival mode. So man, like if you want to quit the job, you know, I would say look to stack up, you know, 6 months to a year, if not better, of you know your expenses, your monthly expenses. And I also would like to see proof, you know, before I quit my job, I would like to see proof of consistent profitability that I can actually trade, right? So that once I quit my job, all right, I have the consistent profitability to data to back me up. So now it's like, all right, I'm confident to quit this job. I got some savings to work on so I don't trade out of state of need. And yeah, I'm getting this thing according to my data. I can do this, right? But yeah, we don't want to jump the gun too early, because the last thing you want to do, bro, is quit and then have to go back, right? So you ever heard the saying, you know, measure twice, cut once, right? We want to make sure we're doing everything correct the first time, even if that means it's the slowest route, just so we don't have to do it over and over again. But yeah, bro, you know, people, you know, can do things in their life, you know, they're forced to do things according to their life circumstance. So I'm not doubting your dream at all. But yeah, that's just what I'm thinking.
Yeah, before you quit in the physical, quit in the spiritual. So you got to visualize it, and then you got to work towards it. Do your numbers, make sure you're good, and then let it rip. But that would be more, you know, a question like that is not like a yes or no. That's something that you need someone to like look into your finances, look into your budget, understand where your goals are, where you're at right now in life. There's a lot that goes into that answer. John be measuring
That's why
twice.
I just gave you my opinion on it. You know, I didn't think there was a right or wrong to it.
Yeah. All right, 15 closure. So you close very weak, bullish. So that means maybe signs that we'll get a resistance here soon, but there's no resistance yet. There's no fade yet. There's just candles. Fake out now, bullish celery. It could work. It could work. You got the top of that other zone though, right there too. This zone here. I need to grab some water. I'll be right back.
Yeah, man. I really don't think there's any right or wrong in life. You know, I think that whatever the life is that you want to live, I think you should live it. Yeah, Louis. I would treat phase 2 the same exact way as phase 1, and I would treat phase 1 and phase 2 the exact same way as the live account. It's all the same. All the same. We have one job to do every single day, right? So I would just show up and do that job, and then naturally the outcome will take care of itself. Financial freedom for my family is the only goal. Yeah, bands count up, bro. We're gonna be counting them bands, bro. Counting them up. But yeah, bro, same here, man. That's why I got into trading, you know, financial freedom. My goal. Akash, Jan, you should yeah, man, you know, when you're trading with a firm, a evaluation firm, it's tough to, you know, it's tough to like give you advice with their rules because it's their rules and it's their money you're trading with. So you have to kind of obey by the rules because it's their money. That's the, you know, there's pros and cons to evaluation firms and personal account capital, but yeah. Yo, Al Stacks, bro. What? Always, bro. Slow and steady route's the best route, bro. Yo, C-Mel, you hear it? Yeah. Yeah, nah, word, Magnus. You know, the funding path can, you know, trick your brain with the profit targets and stuff like that as well. Even the drawdowns too. Like, if I go through a drawdown on my personal capital, I'm not sweating it. You know, I'll get out of that eventually over time, right? If it takes me a week or two or a month, you know, whatever it may be, I'll get out of that drawdown. But if I get in a drawdown with the profit, with the funded company, I could eventually hit their max drawdown rule and fail the challenge, which ultimately leads me to thinking I'm a failure, right? Which is not the case. It's just that, all right, my trading edge went through a drawdown and I failed because I went through a drawdown instead with my personal capital. All right, I went through a drawdown. Let me just climb out of it, and now I'm back in profits. You know, so yeah, it definitely could take a trick on your mindset, definitely. 100%, Magnus. Yeah. Yeah, knowing the pros and cons to both, yeah, very important. Yeah, so this is good. Seeing the 15-minute head back up, 30-minute making a steeper stop wick. Nice.
Yeah, I might be buying this Type R, man. This Turbo Type R. Yeah, I'm gonna go look at the car this week.
Nice, bro. Op it.
White EK. It's beautiful. Red interior. It's nice. Can I show it? Let me see.
I too. The higher the resistance, I think, the better.
The higher the better, that's right. Let's see. Can we get it?
That's fire.
Yeah, this one right here.
Bringing it back like the old days, bro.
Yeah. I just want to have some fun with this thing.
Alright.
It'll probably just hang out in the garage for the most part. But yeah, I just want to take it out, have some fun here and there. We'll see.
Yeah, I think it's fast too. I think it's fast. Scotty C. Yeah, it's got a VTEC, yep. Yeah, it's a Type R motor. Yeah, of course, manual, of course. Don't catch me in some automatic Civic like that. Like, oh man, that'd be great. Better off with the Subi? Nah, you know, I used to have hatches back in the day, so they're my cup of tea. Yeah. Yeah, a lot of these you could find some really nice ones for like 10K. Would I take the onion here? I don't think so, because I want to see how we begin to react. So far we are rejecting, but we really want to see how we're going to react like towards this overall area, because if we're going to get a pullback, it's most likely going to be between here. Keep in mind the future's 4 hours still open, right? So that wicks being, that's why you're getting that pullback, and you might get another little leg up there. So yeah, I want to wait and see how we do in this zone. STI? Yeah, I'm not into those cars though, too much. They're nice, but I'm not too into them. I'm definitely from the north. Yeah, you know you're from the northeast if you're looking to buy hatches like that. I don't see much of them here in Florida. S2Ks, they're pretty nice. They're too small for me, but they're definitely pretty cool cars. Yeah, if you go to New York, New Jersey, PA, man, them things are everywhere. We got 9:30 coming up too here in just a few minutes as well, so we should have more volume on the way. So 9:45 could be a play here for us too today. Yeah, the Integra Type R. Yeah, I've always wanted an Integra Type R. Texas? 4x4s? Nah. No way. Yeah, that JDM front end. Yeah, man.
Yeah, we're a 10 trade win streak and it's yours.
Pretty much. It's either that or a down payment on a McLaren, but I don't want to go too bougie that quick, you know. I'm just a rising star here on the internet.
All right, bro.
We can't do them. We're not gonna roll the McLaren boy style yet.
Still living below our means.
It's coming. Yeah, word. One little thing on the McLaren, I could actually replace my whole motor probably on the Type bar. The oil changes. How much?
Much.
Too much. All right, here we go. Might have some fade vibes here at 9:30. Do I have a picture of the... yeah, I do, but I'll show you guys later.
Good to say, man.
Porsche.
It's good gold.
Goldie showing signs of rejection to this support zone here. So we'll see. Oh, let me get rid of this poll here. End poll, damn. Clogging up the chat.
It's like everyone voted nice.
1K votes, but
Only 54% were right.
only 393 likes. Womp,
Damn.
womp, womp.
Yo, chat, give the man a like. Come on.
Do better. Oh, GT3, I know, yeah, man. All right, so we'll see how we do here at 9:30. If we get a top wick, I do like the sells here. Looking pretty good. You got clean traffic to the left. Looks like that's where we're gonna make our resistance. We're gonna need a top wick though.
Oh.
Porsche. All right, so if we get a top wick, I'll be interested. If not, I won't be interested. I entered? No, I'm waiting for a top wick. I would have entered there if we have a top wick. SMH. SMH.
Yeah, the car's sick. And the blue one, bro.
Yeah, this is my other one. This is the one I had earlier. This is one of the cars I had. This one had a K series. K20 supercharger. Nice bubble. The new one I'm getting is gonna be an EK, so it's a different body style. But this is a very fun car. Very fun car. No wick, no entry for me. Anybody take the sells? Best of luck to you.
Nope. Nah, I need familiar price action.
Nah, no wick, no entry. Okay, cool. Yeah. No wick, no entry. We had the read. Price looks good. Just no wick. Not a bad day though. Not a bad day so
Really
far.
not.
Recovered, took one loss in London, recovered that. You're kind of messing around in this zone here too, so just wait on it. So you see how now we can move our ranges? So these are times where you can now move your ranges. So no longer is price trading up there, right? So there's no need to have our range up there. Meaning earlier, that was the range, right? Before CPI, this was your range, but we're no longer here, right? So now we're forming a new range there, down here, and then this is where you're gonna redo your zones and then mark up your ranges and just redo them, right? Surround price one more time, and then now you wait for your familiar price action. Simple. Nice, Captain. Hey, Captain.
Nice, Captain. Working out that discipline muscle, bro.
Yeah, let's do a fresh analysis here too. So let's re-look at this daily candle now, because guess what? It's doing exactly what we expected it to do, right? So we came in this wick area, we had a low, we broke that low, CPI pumped us down, we're coming back down into this support level here, right? So there's a previous daily candle low sitting right there. So as of right now, we are respecting that low. So we do want to see maybe break the lows and then get a closure. There's got to be some clean range on the lower time frame down there that we can look towards. But maybe, just maybe, this daily candle starts wicking down into that range, right? Meaning maybe we close something like this today, right? Where you've wicked down in there, or maybe we close below. I don't know, you know, but I think we got more downside to this daily candle, just like earlier. 4 hour smoke through all these lower wicks and just engulfed this entire range here. So there was a previous support sitting right here. We've tapped into that target on the decimal, and now there's more clean range, but you know, we got to see this candle close here in 25 minutes. So 1 hour is struggling here at that support level as well. 30-minute is you know, struggling here too. We came down originally, filled the wick, or tried to fill the wick. We didn't get it. This candle opened up, no top wick, so that's no surprise why this candle's struggling. And now we wait. 15-minute gives us a resistance. We've got resistance here. We've got support right there, and that's the vibe here. So new range, clean traffic on the way up, and decent traffic on the way down. If we're going to use that support, then we got a nice clean range there. 50 pip range. So we'll see. But no surprise, this candle's going to come up here and most likely make a top wick, because 85% of candles do that, right? So that's no surprise there. 85% chance probability we end up flipping bullish here at some point. So going to look for buys above this 15-minute resistance, and then probably just be a little bit more patient on my sells right now. Yeah, we've already tapped the 4 hour zone there, right? So if this 4 hour candle is most likely going to pull back now. It's got to close here, so it might just close right where it's at. So new ranges here, new ranges.
And then sells below, you know, could be clues that, all right, you know, the 4 hour wants to drive through those supports now. But yeah, gotta be patient for that closure below.
Yeah, where's that previous daily low? I think it's right here. Yeah, the previous daily low is sitting right here. This is your previous daily low, and then that's the clean range to the left. So if you break that daily low and close below there, this should be pretty good. If not, we're prepared for buys as well. Remember, we talked about it. We talked about if we get a new resistance and then a potential closure back above, then the buys look pretty good at that point. The only thing is, I say it and then it takes time, right? And most people aren't willing to wait the time for the candles to print. So, patience.
Patience and grasshopper.
New all-time highs. Yo, yo, what's up, Hank? How are you, brother? Good to see you, man. What's good, what's good?
Hank.
Damn,
What's
did
good,
we
man?
miss you earlier? I'm sorry, bro. How you feeling, man?
Hank, how's Apex, bro? Still trading with him?
How's Idaho? Oh wait, no, is it Idaho? Wait, where you live again? I forget.
Very nice, nice.
Why not sell below most recent resistance? Which one, brother?
I think he means where you got buys above.
Oh, sell below here? Well, we could have,
Okay.
but we had no top wick there. And then if you mean this right here, like you could, but then you got another one right here, which we already rejected from, and then below there is another one right here, right? And then below there, there's really nothing until down here. So that's why we want to maybe look for the sells below that range, because then we don't have to worry about getting caught up on any other support level. So below this one, you have 50 pips of pretty clean candles, where you shouldn't get much of an interruption.
Yeah, bro, I would make a note. I would write it down or make a note of it that the best moves with these playbook setups is when these playbook setups have clean traffic to the left, right? That's a major key, bro. Write it down if you have to. Major key.
Off to class, IJ Coop. Later, brother. Later, later.
Peace, J. Coop. Try to enjoy class, man.
W, Hank. W, man. Let's go. What up, Sam,
Nice,
man?
bro.
There he is. There he is.
Damn,
Sandman
man.
was in London, man. He was in London. Was that
Beast.
was that last London? Wait, when was that? Was that last night or the night before? Or both nights? I don't know. My man's everywhere. That man's everywhere.
Man was opening up them 10 lots on the mini chart, bro, or the regular GC chart.
The Reggie.
Let's go, bro.
On the Reggie.
Top step, you had Top Steps jaw drop.
Oh, what happened here? Let's see. Leverage. Apple has peaked some innovation? That's crazy. Damn.
What?
They put the volume indicator?
Wow.
Apple hit him
That's
with
insane.
the volume indicator.
Pretty interesting.
How do I share this? Why can't I share this now? Oh, here we go. There's our top wick.
A little one.
There it is, little one, but one.
Finally. Yeah, nice move down though.
Beauty. Beauty. Take a cookie, man. AUD JPY. I don't think I've ever heard of that pair. All right, so futures 4 hours closing up here. Couple minutes. We should get our top wick here. Man, AUD JPY, you made me lose my train of thought, brother. I was just about to do something.
Damn.
How dare you? How about the NASDAQ? How about it? How about it? Target tapped to the T. To the T.
Yeah, Dominic, word. If that thing glitches, bro, you're screwed.
I just used the EYES indicator if that one glitches.
Sure.
You'd be alright. Got
Yeah,
crude
bro.
oil inventories coming in a little bit later too. All right, so nothing from me here in this range. We got a rejection. If we start breaking these highs and you close above, there's a very high chance we move up. That's what we planned on earlier. That was the only buy positions we wanted to take, was if you create a new support and close back above the range. So if that happens, I like buys here. If not, then we gotta wait for a breakout. Or I have to wait for a breakout. We can do whatever we want, but I will wait for the breakout.
Thanks.
You saw leverage? Yeah, I forgot what I was gonna do or say. Oh yeah, now I remember. Let me go. I seen.
Yeah, PMN. Yeah.
This is my bad. This is gonna be the competition. I just seen Austin post about it. Let's see. Austin. Haha. Hey man, I was listening to Austin Silver when I was working some delivery job trying to make this trading thing click. Let's see. Where's the volume? There it is.
Facts, bro. I remember, man. I remember those days, dude. It's crazy.
ASFX versus TTE trading competition. It starts September 16th, so in just a few days. The way this is going to work is you can enter this for free. You're going to get a free account. It's a demo account. You're going to trade that account from the 16th to the 27th, right here in the qualifying round. The top 10 winners are going to not only get a free month of ASFX TV, they're also going to get entered into the final round, which is where the top 10 from ASFX are going to go against the top 10 from Nick Stewart's community, which is called Time to Eat, TTE. The winners after that second round are going to get a stacked value. So you'll see it right here on the sign up page. First place gets a 200K challenge account, the top one championship belt. They get a month free of ASFX TV, and you're getting a free coaching call with me. Second place, you get a 100K account, no belt, but you still get the 30 days of ASFX TV, and you get the 60-minute coaching call. And as you can see, even the people that finished 10th, 9th, you're still getting a free challenge, and you're getting 30 days of ASFX TV totally for free. Now, the cool thing about this is if you do the challenge and you don't blow the account, you can get 50% off on all challenges with Top 1 for 3 days after it. So you're also getting a huge discount from them if you want to buy more accounts. I want all of you guys enrolled, and let's see who's going to get the bragging rights here and walk away with some free shit. The free challenge account, the free ASFX TV, the coaching call with me. It's not a bad first prize. We are announcing
Yeah, man. And by the way, you see here, so top 10 winners. So you see where it says top 1 will carry over all profits to your challenge account. So let's say you're out of the actual, so you don't make it into the final 10, but you want to take advantage of the 50% off. Whatever profits you're in on that little competition account, they'll carry it over into the combine or the evaluation account for you. So yeah, it's gonna be sick. That's all gonna start up next week.
Oh.
Yay. Yay. So let's see, man. Who we gotta represent? We need some good guys and girls to represent TTE, and I guess his guys are gonna get a month of the his clubhouse pretty much, and our guys are gonna get a month of our clubhouse. Yeah, guys and girls. Because we know the girls are dominating too, man. Dominating. Yeah. Yeah, exactly, J4 Trades. Yep. So even if you don't make the top 10, you can get 50% off a challenge, and then those profits will go over. So let's say you're up, let's say you know, you're up 2%, you'll start your challenge up 2%. Yeah, the sign-ups are we're gonna have the sign-up link on the 16th of September. So next week. I want a MAGA hat. Oh man. Yeah.
Maybe Austin will reward that.
Top 1, yeah, he probably will. Top 1's gonna send out a championship belt.
That's sick, bro.
They're gonna get a belt created. Yeah, 100K accounts. 100K accounts. But I think they'll
we need
a percentage-wise. So if you're up X amount of percentage, whatever account you get, they'll do that.
We need to get the teams ready, bro.
Yeah, we do. Yeah, so keep an eye out for that. We'll drop an email and all that good stuff when everything's ready. So no volume here for 9:30, 9:45, not much. Just stand still after CPI. So we'll move on to the next hourly candle here shortly.
Way to be patient, way to be disciplined. We just bouncing right now, up and down. No clear direction.
Yeah.
Nice, Louis G. Let's go, bro. It's coming to you, bro.
Dan the man. Dan the man. I don't know, man. We'll figure something. Maybe we'll fly you to Florida or something. Come play some golf.
That'll be fun, Dan.
Yeah, so that competition, just keep an ear out. We'll announce it. We'll make sure you guys are all well aware of it. The 16th, I believe that link becomes available, unless they're going to get it ready before then. I got to check.
Damn, Jamie, all good. Next trade. Next trade. Now, at least next trade, you only need $12. So. You're right there.
See a clip of my golf swing. Do I have a video? I think I do. I just ordered that little stick that you could put in the ground. It's got a little magnet for your phone. So I'm gonna start recording my swing more often. C Melly, what do you think about my swing? C Melly's a seasoned vet, so I trust his opinion.
Just send the videos.
Probably need a little work. But we all do. Let's put your elbow here. Your left heel. You gotta make sure your left heel though is sticking up, pointing on an acute angle towards the sun. Make sure the wind is. Yeah, man. I love golfing with golfers, man. No. Tippy toes. One more. Yep, there you go. And now swing.
It's like, bro.
I'm over here like, you sure? You sure? I'm not that comfortable like this.
Yeah, bro. I can't. I just gotta hit that thing, bro. Right, Nick? I'll take the driver and just try to bomb it.
Yeah. Hey, I did put that 56 to work though this weekend. Got a nice little pop to it.
I like the course we were playing at this weekend. That was fun. Because we had to use the driver for like a lot of the holes.
Yeah.
You're like, shush.
Swing. It's all in the hips. It's all in the hips. 1 hour closure coming up. Let's see if we can find a video.
Hips don't lie.
There's a video of Brother Joe.
Female, you would probably throw up looking at my screen. Yeah, I can't be thinking about mechanics while I'm swinging. That would just make me overthink. I just gotta hit the ball.
Put the ball in the hole.
That's the goal, right? Put the ball in the hole. Let's do it.
Just put the ball in the hole.
Yeah, George. I'm sure.
I sworn I had a video. Guess not.
Joe probably has it.
Joe, send the video. Joe, send the video.
Yeah, Dick.
Yeah.
Dick. That was just mad funny last game, bro.
Oh yeah. Yeah. We
Can't
always
say
have
people.
some comedy.
Yeah, bro.
Damn. Yeah, I'll get you guys to swing. We'll record it next time.
Let's vlog it next time, bro.
Then you guys can give me some tips. What's up, Jay?
4 more minutes of waiting.
Welcome to the family. Look forward to seeing your name more often. Look forward to hearing about your success.
It's good, Mr. Jackson. I think that's a sick name, bro.
It is. All right, cool. So 1 hour closes bullish, which if it closes above the range there, it will close bullish. So we'll see. We'll see how we do.
It's good.
Yeah, we also have news coming out here.
Is that at 10 or is that at 10:15? 10:30.
Yeah. It's only an orange folder too.
You have to observe while news comes out and not just dive in. Yeah, that's typically what I do. True, true, true. Very true. How do prop firms make money? They sell challenges.
You have to use.
They're a sales company.
He's like, what?
They're a sales company. Yep.
Gonna have to use 15 stops here. Yeah, you know when you fail your challenge, that's how they make money.
Yep. You know, they know that very, very rare will one pass the challenge, right? Because most traders fail. So
Right.
when it is time for payout, the money's there. They got the moolah. Ecom Dre over here. Throwing it back. Diogo, it depends on when you left. We did take a buy. We took a buy earlier. Some got B, some got 25 pips. I got both. I got break even and 25 pips on each account. So yeah, that was the only trade. Just took this buy right here, this candle. Okay, cool, cool. Yeah, that was it. That was it today. $10:30 news coming in. Miss Jackson. So will we retrace the whole move here, or will we retrace a piece of it? So you did close above, which is nice here. You got a new 1 hour closure here as well. So the 1 hour close bullish, 30-minute close bullish, 15-minute close bullish. The 4 hour should push up for a top wick. So yeah, if you get a lower wick there, things are looking pretty good. You got a few wick rejections to the top side here when it comes to that candle, but nothing too crazy. Let's see here. Yeah, I like the buy stops. Break of the previous candle high here. Looks pretty good to continue up. Let's see what the difference is. You got a difference from high to high is about 7 pips. So your call on what entry you want. I'm going to look for the previous candle high as an entry, expecting the 4 hour to break the high, make a steeper top wick. 1 hour closed support, right? A little bit higher than this support. 30-minute as well. Close support, 15 back above the range. So yeah, it looks pretty good.
That's great. You guys see how Nick's backing himself up with reasonings of his trade working out. You know, I think that's a good exercise before you get into any trade that you guys do that.
Yeah, now keep in mind the 4 hours bearish, right? So this can move down pretty aggressively here to fill that wick. But, you know, the 4 hour has already really, I would say, done its job in terms of coming back into this area here. So if we're coming back into this area one more time, we might just be trying to test it and then drive back up. So you may get that push down here, but all in all, looks pretty good. $25.06. Which one, brother? Which one? 25.06.
This one? Yeah, you might get a little pack runner here too.
That'd be great.
Current candle stops. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Yep, just another trade, y'all, which means another random outcome to this trade. So don't over risk. Let's have a great day.
So what about it? This level right here, you mean, right? Somewhere right here. Yeah, I'm going to keep my stops below the current candle here. It's about 38 pips. Oh, is it a better support? Could be. Could be. But either way, this candle closed above. 06. Yeah. Activated on US 30 fade. Oh, nice. She's fading. Wow, look at the NASDAQ here.
30.
Rob fades probably caught this one too. Nobody knows nothing. Just fading up, fading down. Just giving haircuts out here. Nas, man. Nas throwing price around nicely here today. Alright, so we broke the low there. So we may delete this buy stop and regroup. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to delete it for now, and then we'll revisit it if we have to. Because we could still respect that 30/1 hour and rip up. The thing is, you've got a much larger stop loss now at like 75 pips.
Right.
So that becomes the issue. So let's see if we can threaten this support once again, and then we'll see if we reject it or push through it.
We got a bleeder.
Later. Got the same trade on Nas. Oh, nice, Melvin. Yeah, I was every time I look at Nas, I think of you. I'm like, yeah, he probably got that too.
Damn, the 30 lows too.
30 lows, 30 lows.
At 4 hour.
Yeah, it's the 4 hour moving down there. So it still has no wick, right? So I still like buys.
Yep.
We're coming back into the area now, testing it again. If we push through, we push through. We're gonna move bearish, but if we reject it, then you might see a push up. Let's go, Rob. Did you go out to lunch? Any lunch yet?
Nice,
Let's
Jamie.
go. Jamie with the W. Congrats.
Yo, Rob, tonight, gotta get hibachi, bro. Come on.
Hibachi with the wife. There you go.
Alright. Peace out, Miko. Oh, nice for Taco Tuesday, Rob. That's dope.
Yeah, I like that. Pull some profits, take your wife out, enjoy it, make it real. That's what it's about.
Hell yeah.
No McDonald's tonight.
Yeah, man. I think it's really good to, you know, at least a couple of times withdraw some trading profits just so you can feel how real the money actually is. Once you feel how real the money actually is, you'll think twice about certain decisions you make in the markets.
Very true.
Man, bro, I wish stops weren't massive.
That's okay. Wait for a closure. Wait for a closure here in 7 minutes, and then you may get a better stop loss here. Because I'm not going to use that as my stop, but if we get a new candle with a lower wick and we break those highs, we should move up. We got Lele here too, so the volume should be coming in.
Oh, it's a wrap now. Lele.
See Uncle John. He's float. He's float.
Or lights fire. Amen. Why not lower lot size when the stop loss gets too big? Well, we don't want a negative RR here either, right? We don't want to risk 70 pips for 25. Like, you know what I'm saying? And also we don't want to lower our lot size either because that's our normal lot size. But I don't even risk off lot size. I risk off percentage. I usually risk off percentage, so yeah. But yeah, either way, I don't want to risk like 70 pips for 25, you know? That just doesn't make sense. Big slot, yeah. Yeah, whichever one, you know, fits your personality, that's the best one to do. I used to trade fixed slots last year with my forex fund account. Nice, Hank. That's dope. No ecom Dre. I need some stops though. Yeah, it's awesome, Hank. I'm glad you got something that works. Peace, Chris. What's up, bro?
Mr. Tuffa, how we feeling, brother? What a day, eh? Let us rejoice in it, my man.
Right.
Beautiful
Just
day.
count those blessings. They are real. Growing pains are real, yes, sir.
It's like birth pains, my friend. They produce something incredibly special. Looks like GJ. Oh, what? Oh, GJ who? GJ who though? Who that though? GJ, man, GJ. Shall we have a look, chat? Shall we have a look at GJ? What do you think? GJ. I don't know. It's like, you know, it's like breaking your plan. If you do it once, you might do it again. We look at GJ for me. We might look at it once. Might look at it again.
You can't even trade it though with futures.
Can't is not in my vocabulary, John Stewart.
Good joke, GJ. Good joke. Yep. Oh yeah, I'm sorry, Mr.
GJ stands for good joke. I like it.
It's funny. That's funny, Patty.
Yeah, we haven't traded GJ in a very long time. Very long time. Look at this. Look at it. Look at it. Last time we touched pound yen was in April. No. March.
Damn.
No. February.
Damn.
Yes, last GJ trade. I'll never forget it. So I can't take another trade on GJ because I like this as my last trade ever. It was a very stupid trade that I'll keep in my mind. Yeah, should have never even went back. February 2nd was the last pound yen trade.
EJ.
If I was allowed to say that. Oh. Emmanuel. Wait, how do you say your name? Man, that's a tough one.
Damn, bro.
Wow.
Yeah, nice, Josh.
Talking Russian. Is that Russian? It's like Emmanuel? Okay, cool. Had a lovely nap. Now I'm back. Oh, nice. How was the nap, my friend? You're welcome, Chris. Shout out to Chris from Uganda. So, chat, what you guys do here today so far? I took one position, one buy. What about you guys in this New York session? Any
Nothing
sells
for me,
on the way
bro.
down?
Nothing for me. Bro, like,
John,
we've
did you
been
take that
low-key getting
buy
all
or
our
no?
trades.
You did,
Which
right?
buy?
The one earlier?
No, I took a buy in Asian. Are you talking about that or no?
No, in New York.
Nah, yeah, I haven't taken anything. Patient day for me, guys. Bro, I don't think we've gotten a trade though, like on the live stream at all, like this week or last week.
Yeah, we got
It's
one
all
today.
been like after.
Yeah, they have been after or London or Asian.
Yeah.
Took 2 break evens. Yeah, no worries.
Yeah, I
One
took
win,
the
one
buy
loss.
last night in Asian.
Oh yeah, which
Fire.
one was that?
The 15-minute breakout. We had some really nice volume actually with the debate going on.
Oh, this one
Worked
right
out
here.
nice. Let's see. Yeah.
That's right.
Yep.
50 pips today.
It was at like
Nice.
8:30 or something.
All right, so we got, did this candle close? Yeah, so this candle closed, so we're still in the range. We did a little fake out here. So yeah, just ranging at this point now. So I think your 4-hour candle has no top wick on it, right? So we've already filled the wick. We've tapped back down into this range. I think if you close back above now on the buys or on back above here, the buys are going to be pretty valid for the retracement here today. These wicks are kind of, you know, sitting tight there, but you already got your fake out there. I doubt we kind of come up and make a second fake out. So if you do get the breakout, I think this looks good. We'll probably take the rest of this day into the clubhouse and hang out there and trade over there if we do get any trades. But yeah, other than that, it was a good day. Good CPI session. Nice move down there. We got away from those all-time highs, and now can we stay away from the all-time highs? That's the question. Gold's gonna do what gold wants to do, and we'll just be here to have some fun with it.
Yep.
Cool.
Nice
Any
day, man.
questions, comments, concerns, anything before we dip off? If you guys aren't in the clubhouse, go to timetoeattrading.com, pull up. We look forward to meeting you there and welcoming you in. And yeah, I guess we'll take the rest of the day into the clubhouse here.
Yep. Way to focus today and stacking those W's, using the compound effect to our advantage. Lovely.
Yes, sir.
And yeah, Nick, thanks for having me, and I'll be back in a little bit.
All right, my man.
I
Later,
bet.
John.
All right, chat. I hope you guys all have a blessed day, and I'll stay blessed. Peace, y'all.
Peace. Chat, love you guys. Miss you guys in the clubhouse. For those of you guys that'll be there, I'll see you guys in a few minutes. For the rest of you guys, we will see you tomorrow. It's tomorrow Friday. Tomorrow's Thursday. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. 2 more days left in the week. We should have some great opportunities coming in now that CPI is out the way. We've got some more red folders coming in as well. We always like that. And yeah, blessings to you. Glory to the Father on the way out. Hope you guys have a blessed and highly favored day. Be great, y'all. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Say it's holy, can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion, you don't kid me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river, just wanna get what you giving. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me. Yeah, ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Yeah, hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Yeah, I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it, I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it, I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death, I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father, I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah, say it and it's done. Breakthrough, Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you. And that cross couldn't break you. Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. Oh, yeah. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Sweep me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Sweep me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame.
I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no lie. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Whoa. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up like my name Lazarus. No Satan gon' be mad at this. I had to ask my dad if it's okay to swing my bat at this. He said, boy, if I picture this out of the park, moving so quick it's like they stuck in park. They see the numbers, but I see the heart. 10,000 hours you spit in the dark, putting in good work, even though you didn't even know that it would work. talking about a man who grew up in woodwork, do it for the love of it, that's the way it should work, yeah, yeah. I know some people gon' look at me crazy and I'm like, for what? Man, I was stuck, I was down, but now I'm up, yeah. This all God, this ain't no love, yeah. I used to be stuck in that mud, yeah. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm
down, now I'm up like a seesaw. When I'm on a beat like an old man's lawn, better keep off. From the ground to the treetops, got clouds on my feet like Jack and the Beanstalk. Jumped off quick, went straight in a free fall. Cowboy hat and a mic singing yeehaw. Landed on my feet like a feline, put them back in the seat like a recline. Ay, what you mean I'm not worthy? Did it with a purpose, didn't need a permit. Digging from the bottom and I brought it to the surface. Mind your business now, who I worship. Who the little guy making big, big, big moves. Tick tock, turn it to a tick, 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 boom. Yeah, I talk a lot of stuff, probably thought it was a bluff, till I went and turned it where
I was down, but now I'm up.